Hey guys, welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. Lion and I are still making our way through these through this narrow slot canyon in Willis Creek in Cannonville, Utah. We passed through maybe like 3 of them by now. But yeah, there's a ton of these. As you can see on the bottom here, I'm trying to avoid making contact with the horse excrement. But yeah, as you can see, there's maybe about 3 feet across for clearance in some of the more low areas. But yes, very, very cool. I've always wanted to do something like this. Lion and I didn't get to do it in Zion, so we got to do it here, and that's good. That's very good. And there is the end of the narrow slot cave. And we will see you later. Bye.